Hey there, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harbor. This is all the places you can find me on social media. This is the Sephora play from March 2020, otherwise known as the month we all entered quarantine, which is ironic because this is called Beauty in the Wild. Oh, the only place we're getting wild is our homes. But let's see what we're gonna, paper ourselves with while we sit on the couch and Netflix and chill in the wild of our homes. Hey y'all, Beauty in the Wild. Look at the cute little animals. Oh my gosh. I love the little lion has like glasses and he's all about the hair because Leo season. So it's all like little tips and tricks, like the koala. Kickstart canopy. Low energy, brighten up with a highlighter and a fresh coat of lipstick. It's all like little tips and tricks, but they're all animal, like this little tiger, who I think is playing with a lipstick. I'm not sure. I'm confused. Anyway, Wild Beauty. So we get the Laura Mercier. If I can get it. Laura Mercier. Caviar Chrome eyeshadow stick in metallic taupe. I'm always confused what taupe is. Is it like a gray? Is it like a beige? It's very vague when it comes to taupe, but this is a multitasking stick that you can use as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, or a highlighter. We are going to use it right now as kind of eyeshadow on the top, and then blend it. And then there we go. How we feel about that? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Then we have Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in Star Woman. So Star Woman. Okay, that was me trying to badly sing Bowie. But it's a classic red. You can't go wrong with it. I like that this has a tip that you can actually use as a liner. And then I'm going to show you a tip so that you don't get it on your teeth. Take your finger, get a napkin. There you go. Wipe your finger and you won't have stuff on your teeth. I do like this red. Okay, one of my favorite products. Oh my God, I love this. I'm so glad they included it. It is Glamglow Glow Starter. Oh my God. Why? Tongue twister. Anyway, I like using this when I'm just want to have like a very naked face. Put this on with a little bit of BB cream and you're good to go. Absolutely good to glow. Good to glow. because it's got like a little nude glow in it. It smells great. I wish it wasn't so expensive because I would buy the crap out of it. Then we have Junk Elephant Leila Retro Whipped Moisturizer. It's a rich moisturizer. This is another one, Junk Elephant. If it wasn't so pricey, I would own the whole entire line. It smells so good. There's stuff like, it's just so, it's whipped. I just want to put it on my face now, but I have makeup on. But it feels like moisture. Like really, it just feels. Then we have Amica, which is one of my favorite hair care lines. Undone Texture Volume Spray. It's matte. I don't know why it matters that something is matte, but it says, get that, yes, I just swam in the ocean look, but without all the sand. It's a salt-free texturizing spray. Love it. And finally, little perfume, Dolce and Gabbana. It's supposed to be sophisticated and hypnotizing. Can it hypnotize me into not eating all the snacks in my pantry? That is the question. Ooh, warm, spicy, a little citrus. Oh, wait. A little coffee. Definitely coffee. I do love warm and spicy fragrances. I do. I know spring is all about florals, but sign me up for this. Anyway, that is definitely some wild beauty. Wild beauty. Follow me and stay beautiful.